Hi, welcome! Today's video is absolutely beginner friendly, so if you are new to digital art and wish to draw mandalas in Procreate app, then this video is absolutely for you. Subscribe to my channel for amazing Procreate hacks and tutorials and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss them. Let's get started. The first step is to create your canvas. The plus symbol at the top right corner. Now tap the plus symbol below it to create a new canvas. For this project, I'm using US document size, which is 8.5 x 11 inches. Then set the DPI to 400. Step 2. Turn on the drawing guide. Tap the Actions button at the top left corner. Here you will see some set of options. You need to tap the fourth option, which is the drawing guide. Now tap on this Edit Drawing Guide option. Tap the Symmetry button. Then tap Options. Here you will see 4 guide options and you need to click on the radial option. Okay, done. Step 3. Turn Drawing Assist on. To turn it on, tap the Layers button, tap the layer, then tap Drawing Assist. You will see the word Assisted below the layer name. Step 4. Create your mandala drawing. Before starting to draw, don't forget to choose the color and brush for your project. For this project, I would like to choose black color, and as of the brushes, I would like to choose monoline, which is under the calligraphy category. Alright, so I'm first beginning with an arc. When you draw and hold the arc, you will see the option Edit Shape. You can always tap on this option whenever you wish to edit the arc. You can use your 2 fingers simultaneously to pinch in or pinch out, to zoom in or zoom out respectively. Again, if you haven't subscribed, pause this video, go subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and come play the video. Now I'm creating a new layer to create a circle so that when I move the circle layer, the mandala layer doesn't move. Move the circle till you see the yellow perpendicular lines, which indicates the center. In a new layer, I would like to create another circle for reference so that it's easy to delete the layer later. You will learn this easy color dropping technique at the end of this video, so keep watching or tap the time code from the description below. I always like to add more thickness to the rim of the mandalas, so let's do it. To merge two layers, you can pinch them together or tap the upper layer, then tap merge. Step 5. Fill with colors. To fill colors easily, tap Selection button, then tap Automatic, then tap Add, then switch on the Color Fill button. Done. Now you can fill with colors. Few more final touches and we are done. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.